If you drink water every day but still feel like your body is missing something, this video is for you because real hydration isn't just about water, it's about minerals. My name is Latanya. I'm a retired nurse and I have a background in nutrition. In this video, I'm showing you the exact electrolyte drink that I make at home using simple organic ingredients that help my body absorb water at a cellular level, supporting glowing skin and restoring my mineral balance. This is what I drink instead of store-bought electrolyte drinks. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly why it works and how to make it yourself. And you will also know the benefits of each of the ingredients that I'm using to make this drink. And if you love natural wellness, simple recipes, and the glow from within habits, subscribe to this channel because it's all about small changes that make a big difference. Now that that's out the way, let's jump right into it. You're going to start off with a bottle of spring water of your choice. You can use 8 ounce or 16-ounce glass. That's up to you, whatever brand. You're going to start off with that and fill your glass not all the way to the rim because you're going to be adding some other stuff to it. And yes, spring water does naturally contain some trace minerals, but it's not enough. So we're going to just follow these instructions that I'm giving y'all. Now I'm adding the Celtic salt. This right here is the key electrolyte activator in this drink, Celtic salt, because it's rich in trace minerals such as sodium, magnesium, calcium, potassium, restores electrolyte balance, support adrenal function. It also improves nerve signals and muscle function. But most importantly, it supports cellular hydration. It supports cellular hydration by penetrating the cells, flushing out acids from the cells, hydrating the cell within, producing an alkaline environment. That's why I say Celtic salt is the key ingredient in this electrolyte drink. That's why I'm always using Celtic salt in my water. I'm adding some maple, and I add the maple because it's a natural source of magnesium and zinc. Plus, it provides glucose, which helps electrolyte into the cell, supporting energy production, and is much gentler than using any type of refined white sugar. So that's why I love using maple, just a little bit. Now I'm going to add some slices of key limes because key limes also contain electrolytes, such as potassium. It also has vitamin C. Not to mention, it supports bowel production and digestion, and it also Key limes also enhances hydration by improving cellular uptake. Also is antimicrobial, supporting gut balance. Now I did add the lemon off camera to the water, but I'm gonna just go ahead and talk about what it's good for because it's high in vitamin C. It supports immune function and collagen production. Also helps stimulate liver enzymes for detox support, and not to mention it enhances the absorption of the minerals from the water from the Celtic salt. I love dropping a few organic strawberries in there, frozen strawberries, because it supports skin health and is anti-aging, provides natural potassium and magnesium, and plus the bonus is a low glycemic fruit. Gentle energy without the blood spikes. And I should also mention, if you don't have Celtic salt, if you have pink Himalayan salt, you could also use pink Himalayan salt. That's fine too. And sometimes you might don't want to even add fruit. Add some pinches of salt to each bottle of water that you drink. Just don't drink the water plain because sometimes if I'm really on a go and I don't have time to cut up fruit, I'll just put like a pinch of Celtic salt in each bottle of water that I'm taking when I'm leaving the house. Or if I'm home and don't feel like cutting up the fruit, I'll just add a pinch of the Celtic salt. Now let's get back to this drink. I'm adding fresh basil leaves. I like using fresh basil leaves because it's rich in polyphenols and flavonoids. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and it supports adrenal health. It also aids in digestion and helps reduce bloating. Now, you might be watching this video and asking yourself, why does this work as an electrolyte drink? It works because you have the four hydration pillars. You have your spring water, you have your minerals, which is the Celtic salt, and a citrus, and you also have your glucose, which is the maple syrup, and your transport enhancer, which is your lemon and your lime, your acids. So, your citric acids. These four pillars allows the water to stay in the cells because hydration occur in the cells. That's where hydration occurs in the cells. So that's why I said when you use the Celtic salt or the pink Himalayan sea salt, that's going inside the cell, pulling acids out, hydrating the cell, and that's when you have an alkaline environment in the cells in your body. You want to keep your body alkaline at all times. And if you don't want to use the fruit, like I said, is part of the four pillars. But if you don't have time to use the fruit or you just don't want to use the fruit, put a pinch of Celtic salt in each bottle of water that you drink. Put a pinch of Himalayan salt if you don't have the Celtic salt. The point of this video is you just want to make this drink where you know what's in it. When you buy the store-bought electrolyte drinks, they have unnecessary ingredients. You don't even know what's really in it. This drink, you know what's in it because you are making it yourself. And like I said, if you don't have time to get the fruit or all the other stuff that I was using. The other stuff, it has other benefits to the body. Basil, I gave you the benefits of that. I'm not going to reiterate it, but I just gave you the benefits of everything that I used that was in this electrolyte water. But you could still do it without using a fruit. It's the salt, the sea salt, the pink Himalayan sea salt or the Celtic salt, because the basis is you want to hydrate the cells, pull acids out to alkaline the cells in your body. So, like I said, if you don't have time to use the fruit, because I know some people be too busy to be cutting up fruit every day, you could still use the pinches of sea salt. As long as it's Celtic salt or pink Himalayan salt. And the pink Himalayan salt, you want to make sure it's from Pakistan. Make sure you read the back of, because I'm a label reader. So you want to make sure you read the back of the bag or the bottle, whatever the pink Himalayan salt comes in that you buy. Make sure it says Pakistan, because that's what you want to get, the Pakistani pink Himalayan salt. Now let's get into the best time to drink this electrolyte drink. Do not drink this drink with meals. You want to drink this on an empty stomach in the morning or right before you go to bed. Maybe like you ate 3 hours prior and now you're going to bed, or post workout, or if you do intermittent fasting or detoxing. That's the best time to drink this drink. Do not drink this right after you eat a meal, not even like 30 minutes or an hour after you eat a meal. You want to make sure your stomach is kind of on an empty side because you want this drink to do everything that it's supposed to do, which is hydrate your cells and a gentle detox on your liver with the other ingredients. So that pretty much summarized everything. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try to post more educational content because I'm not going to just gatekeep the information for myself. I'm going to share because I know some people don't know where to start from. So subscribe to the channel, share this video, and thanks for watching. I will be back.